before the thousands of attendees arrive, before the keynote speaker takes the stage, and before the massive line arrays flicker to life, an event is just an empty space. Whether it's a dynamic outdoor festival or a high-end corporate ballroom, someone has to physically build the environment. That responsibility falls to the General Audiovisual Technician, or GAV. You are the essential hands-on force of the production. Because the entire show rests on your physical setup, senior technicians and event producers rely on you to be unconditionally consistent. That level of consistency starts long before you touch a piece of gear. It requires a mindset built entirely around preparation and anticipating what the crew needs. A flawless live event happens by design, built entirely on the invisible, rock-solid foundation that a GAV provides. In live production, mastering the environment starts with mastering the clock. The absolute law of the industry is simple. If you are not 15 minutes early, you are late. Professional technicians factor in the variables that average workers ignore. You have to account for unpredictable city traffic and complex parking situations at major venues. Even after you park, you still need time to navigate massive hotel properties or sprawling convention centers just to find the specific crew meetup spot. Arriving on time means arriving fully equipped. Your required tools must be in hand, and you need to be ready to execute tasks the exact second you step onto the show floor. Early arrival eliminates the chaos of a rushed load-in. It ensures the entire crew starts unified and focused. This animated diagram shows exactly how a GAV blends in. We work seamlessly alongside venue staff, which requires strict adherence to the crew black's uniform. That starts with a clean, well-fitting, solid black polo or button-down shirt. There are absolutely no visible logos allowed, with one specific exception. You are highly encouraged to wear an AV Lancer polo, as its subtle black-on-black logo perfectly meets our zero-color requirement. Moving to the lower half, the standard requires clean and unfaded black slacks, black Dickies, or a nice pair of black jeans. Your footwear must follow the exact same rule: solid black socks paired with comfortable, non-slip black shoes. Because the work is highly physical, comfort and safety here are essential. Personal presentation matters equally. Hair and facial hair must be neatly groomed. Any piercings, tattoos, or body modifications must be removed, covered, or minimized, and personal hygiene must be strictly maintained. This dress code operates as professional camouflage. It ensures the technical crew remains entirely invisible to the client and never distracts the audience from the main event. Once on site and in uniform, the physical execution begins. You will safely and efficiently load and unload trucks, pushing cases and organizing equipment exactly as directed by your crew lead. You will handle the foundational setup. That means running, connecting, and neatly dressing audio, video, and power cables to create a secure, trip-free space. You will also assemble the temporary infrastructure, bolting together truss, building fast-fold projection screens, and setting up the pipe and drape walls that define the room. The physical demands change daily. One morning, you might be executing the precise, intimate setup required for a small corporate breakout room. Next, you could be part of a massive arena team effort, coordinating the rigging of complex LED walls and flying heavy line array stakers. A successful GAV scales their effort and focus flawlessly, adapting to the specific demands of a small meeting room or a massive stadium production. Combining punctuality, professional presentation, and a collaborative mindset turns a list of physical tasks into a reliable professional service. By handling the physical fundamentals correctly, you provide the essential groundwork that senior technicians need to execute a successful production. We value the immense effort you bring to every single gig, and we want to thank you for choosing to partner with AV Lancer. Welcome to the team. Welcome to AV Lancer.